Let's do a garden update. End of July. The cannas, finally, the cannas are starting to break flower. It's been a long time, man. Long time. Uh, the marigolds. That one really does well. My other ones, not so well. But anyway, sunflowers. I'll never get nothing from them. They're getting bigger though. I picked up that one. Can't remember what it's called. But that's doing nice. I like it. These guys, they'll pop up when the sun comes bright. That little saver, I forget what it is. That one though, that I bought at Lowe's and saved, that is doing awesome. It's beautiful. Got really big, got really nice and healthy. Yeah, that was a great save. That one. Added some solar lights. Uh, this guy, they're starting to flower these things. A lot of things eat them, but hey, things gotta eat. Uh, my marigolds, they're doing okay. This guy is getting a little bigger. This one, it's getting a little bigger. You know what's amazing is like they can be like sometimes this thing will be all wilted from the heat, and man, you just give it a little water and it just perks right back up. It's like getting a little shower when you're after you get done work and you're all dirty. I'm guessing the daylily is done. I don't know. It's done. I got a weed back here, but I don't feel like it. these guys, these guys are getting bigger. My yellow dogwoods, right? They're definitely getting bigger. I got a weed. Looks horrible. They're definitely getting bigger, but not as big as the red ones. Let's go over and see the red ones. The red ones. The red ones are getting huge. They've like quadrupled in size. They're getting huge. They look so good. Nice and healthy. And now to the vegetables, my squash. I've been picking my early squash. See that little bee down there? He's at work. But the squash is looking good. It's amazing, right? What's amazing is they're the same variety. This one is in the ground. And look at the leaves compared to the container one. The container one, look at the color of the leaves. Nice and green. Uh, Nutrient deficient here. From what I'm finding out, it's lacking nitrogen. So there's not much nutrients in that pot. So you got to keep giving it feed, all your fertilizers. Huge difference though. I can't believe same seed, same planted them the same day. That wasn't doing well. This was doing better, and then this just shot up. Like those leaves are like as big as my shoe. Can't believe it. That's crazy. My marigolds. I don't know what's going on with that thing. It was flower and it kind of changed. I don't know. Whatever. Forgot about this guy. My chives and my marigolds, they're doing good. Made this little container, hung it up here. I gotta pick some chives. They're good. Let's see. That's not good. Blossom rot. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're done with this thing. I don't see any more females. I think I'm gonna pull it out. Put something else there. Lettuce. I've been picking lettuce, giving it away. Um, Radishes, they're doing good. Like pickles, I've been picking pickles for a long time. I got some, I gotta trim this stuff up. I got radishes under here. But yeah, pickles been coming along. There's a big one right there. I'm gonna pick that. I've got a lot of them. But my beets, tell you what, man, these beets are so good. I've been giving them bone meal and fertilizer. Um, I'm kind of figuring this thing out. Um, yeah, I don't think I'll do squash in containers anymore. I've only gotten a couple squash, maybe 3, 4. Getting a lot of pickles. Do pickles. I'll do beets again, and maybe something else. Potatoes. I picked a potato yesterday. I dug a corner and picked some potatoes. I'm gonna leave them in there. I got a one about this big, and then I got a little pebble, and yeah, I'm gonna leave them in there for a little bit. Keep feeding them and go from there. My beauties, you know, they're coming back. There's one there, but it looks good. Looks really healthy compared to what it looked like before. So, really happy with that. That's it. That's the garden tour. Stinking squash. Man, I don't know. I think I'll just buy squash at the store.